That's why. Yeah. Oh, that's how I look.
No. What's wrong?
I said I don't have any problem. Why?
Your face doesn't look good.
Oh, so when you said the action, I make you so sad.
I know it's because of what happened yesterday. I know, honey, I was tired, you know. That's why. Don't worry, okay? When you get back to them, you know.
Me on, I never going to say, Sunny, my wish you because first now want to say.
So I'm your wife. Like, I can get tired sometimes, you know. I was just tired and I was. Hey! Yeah.
Trust me and say the master.
Don't worry, okay?
Thank you.
Tonight you're going to break legs. Alright?
Okay, what's it?
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Take care.
Alright. Bye.
I'm waiting for a blessing.
For?
Oh, madam, I'm surprised. Why, don't you know me?
Yeah, I know you.
Oh, yeah.
So what are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for teaching. I want to teach blessing before I go home.
She's busy today, so you can go home. Okay?
Please, come again.
I said she's busy today, so you can go home.
For?
Let me be sincere. I'm not going to allow you to teach my child again.
Say.
Me say, me ma won share me bana die biom.
Madam, do you have a problem with me?
Yes, I do have a problem with you.
Why do you have a problem with me?
Because they all share me bana nye. Me bana kro ni made sen. Until won share me bana die biom.
Madam, they who here
I don't have time for you.
No, what is only more personal issue pa. Because me name the my yes every time be my bass and betra kwana dey bia. We have a problem with that.
Yes, I do have a problem.
Why do you have why can't I teach your children?
Me say they all share akra nye. Until me ma won akra ni made sen. She's always complaining.
Madam, listen. This is not my first time teaching or doing home-to-home classes. I've been teaching for so long. And I'm a professional. I've completed for so many years. You don't know where I'm coming from, and you don't know for the years I made the actual day.
Let me tell you something.
Listen, you can't just stand my face and talk to me anyhow. And I say me about friend, madam. And I was saying that I made my better a few man. The be a baby, I said, watch this and what it to be. I said, man, I'm a baby, I'm a force more.
Me bane say. On pe ubiem, on pe so betre na de abiem. Problem ne say.
And I me say. Me so metro bana de ne. Acho bana de china. Upo.
Me ba.
Hwe, wo ba me so me student. Ana we wan, ana na chem ka bo so me. Listen to me ka. You can't sack me, madam.
What be me fear na pack on your
consideration na ma consider me chema de. Uni be na me chira de.
Dear we
wouldn't be na me chira de.
Dear we
me ba bia say madam wan hwe hu me yo. Who say me teacher ba me say stupid pa. Wan hwe ya ho. Ye be fu no sisi here no.
Inte say what here den.
Me twen no.
On my own children.
Obeba. Wa ma say dan ye bi me to no wa kwa kire no. Hu bi da ho. Say teacher ni ajo ba boss hu bi da ho. Ukwa witrim kwa me fa ni nkodi be 1 year 5 months bi kwa o me fie. Enkwa ni bo me timbe fo mu ko fie nyina. Na me kire oba dia dia me kire na mana bo akwa ni future. Say na be akwa be nya da ache papa na no mpe.
Jena sorry ko.
Say 20.
Sorry.
Oh ma me 20.
Na den ya trotro na abefro. Sorry ko me si me hia wa ha say.
Na ni uni both am ba ni uni ndem tu ai. Both am ba ni emi tu uni ndem tu ai.
Why wa so be yo hu fi.
Madam, wa hwe ya wo.
Why wa so be yo hu fi.
Me nti ase o ma abdai. Madam, I don't understand o. Me patrol.
Yenin time. My body crossing.
Madam, me bag.
Yenin
Bag in the top from one here.
Yenin, Utbi Yamish, Yenin Tem. When you're honey, me kana waka, me ma wo me ba. When I bet you me the on me bad, me bunny or your papa sale.
Madam,
or your papa sale.
No bag, and one of the big jam when you
say Jana me family table. Pay Jana me table.
I mean, so bad enough, one made the particular, and no one TV.
One cast away titu. One cast away titu.
Oh, teach anyway. Oh, teach anyway. I want to what's if you have
my own trim at Banadi, in fact.
Yeah, but you me bad, but I'm say, oh, my minister, oh, my minister, I don't know. At Memphis. Okay. But if you
enemy, me your missus, if you're enemy, gate to a gate,
madam, we are being one. Near in the street fight, minimum danger.
Hey, what the muda,
madam.
What the muda,
or passing me rock strong. What's up?
And I'm so miss or my missing Kojina gate in the Hochino.
I don't want to pay for now. And I said, you won't park one year. I can't me, but what if you can one year? I don't know what I said.
What's if you at least, or my no papa cries if you am and who are away Japan. Oh, dear,
if you know it.
And this one,
wait.
I don't buy what's in room.
Pray,
buy which in the room.
We are trembling.
And you ask, and I could be them.
I was with if you are.
I, dear, I may catch on many of the service to me if you have you when I catch it. When I froze, some Muslim mamma Mobana, dear, and one is okay. Why, none of so wine there, fro. I catch up a pass will be soon me. And one interesting. Yeah, what should I? Yeah, what?
Brown.
Yeah, read.
I called you to discuss something with you. And I know you are a brother to me.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Brown, my house is on fire.
Really?
Yes.
How?
If you're a basa, and Jennifer.
You mean your house?
My wife, you know, has totally changed.
What are you telling me? Your wife?
Yes. A broma agreement, yes.
No. You have to start telling me something else. I don't think you and your wife, the kind of intimacy you have, what is changing?
Me beg my many peace of mind. When you say, be 2-3 weeks coming, the camera say, Obani ni shio. Be fed me be our bread. But first, no pa na you no kwan and they will feel no mamma chance. And then when you boa for no, and then no day or bread.
Wait. Are you telling me she doesn't give in for you?
Of course.
In bed?
Of course.
Your own wife?
Even and maybe to me, which in a whole air battle or cerebin, main fan channel, but where main person make a sabi bridge. Or your baby done. Intina may bo a man here. And I don't know what to do. And I can't even say, tell somebody.
Wow, I'm really surprised. I'm shocked. Because talking about you and a wife, I don't think there will be something like what you're telling me now. I mean, isn't it something like a cook and a boo story? I mean, maybe probably you're trying to cook your own story. Because I don't think what is going on in this house is what exactly you are telling me now. And your own wife.
My own wife. And one of you suffer something no man come a friend. We should them say no. Me you Christian in you can say in Simbia I'm suffering. Let me say Jai.
Okay, you know what? I'll just advise you to keep your tones down. I know how humble you are, even though looking at the heights you have achieved. Yet you love your wife, you are still humble, you are down to earth. So I want you to move on in that direction. Never do anything for her to notice or suspect that you are really suspecting her. cheating on you or something like that. Are you through with me? Just calm down. Calm down. And then let's try, you know, some other time with her. Maybe perhaps if it is true, the truth will definitely come out. If it's not true, then you really know what is actually behind. Maybe there's something she wants and then maybe you are not providing.
Okay, thank you.
Bro, there's no need to thank me, you know. You and I, just let's go. Sit down, just chill, man.
This is beautiful.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Is Mandy around? Is she around?
Yeah. She's
Why are
in
you
there.
acting as if you don't know me? See, 1 minute of your time, please. Are you busy?
Yeah, as you can see, yeah.
I just want to tell you you are very handsome.
Thank you.
Okay, so sorry. Ouch. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry, you're very handsome. Can I? Hey, your friend, come.
All right.
What?
What are you standing here for?
I was coming inside.
So what are you doing here?
No, I just want to say hi to him.
Hi to who? Is he your friend?
Why are you doing that? No, I can't come here.
Excuse
Yes,
me.
excuse us. Sandy,
Okay,
don't go there.
I don't understand what
Don't bring that attitude into my house. No. I'm expecting you. I thought they've closed the gate and you were here flirting with mine.
Let's stop it. You see, I can't just pass and to say hi to him.
Hi to who? You came to me. You came to visit me.
Is it a crime to say hi to your husband's
I saw
wife?
what you were doing.
I was doing
girl.
nothing. Stop it. Let's go inside.
Yo, seriously speaking, don't bring that attitude over here.
Attitude.
Girl, I know you. You are my friend.
What do you mean by you know
Whatever
me?
you are creating inside your head, not in my house.
I'm not creating anything.
Don't get me angry, girl.
I should
Stop it. Just stop it. I saw you. What's the meaning of that?
Why are you taking things so serious?
Like, I've been standing here watching you.
Watching me. I was just standing here talking to him. Nothing serious.
Seriously speaking, if you are coming to come here to flirt with mine,
I'm not
Don't-
flirting with anybody. Please stop it. Let's go inside.
seriously, I know you. You are my friend, so I know you. Don't bring that attitude here.
What do you mean by you know me?
What
What attitude?
girl? Stop it.
Stop it.
Whatever you are having in your mind,
I have
don't
nothing here.
don't create anything over there.
I'm married. Please, you know that. Let's
You
go.
are what? Hey! Like seriously.